Hello and welcome to Taste of History. I'm Mark.
And I'm Jill, and I think there's one thing we can agree on. We all enjoy a good meaty fart. It's not what you think. It rarely is what you think, is it?
No. In the 14th century, the English had borrowed the word farcir from Old French, where it means stuff or stuffing. In fact, the word farcir can be a synonym for the force meats, that is the finely chopped meat or fish that can be served alone or as a stuffing.
The English being the English, though, the French word farce becomes farts in medieval cookery. You can have cheese farts, you can have sweet farts using fruit, but today we're going to concentrate on a meaty fart. For our meaty farts, I have 500 grams of minced beef. You could use leftover roasted meats, but you must remember to chop it very, very fine. I've got 115 grams of breadcrumbs, or half a cup. I've got 4 cloves of garlic that's been minced already, 1 egg, salt and pepper, and our spice mix, which is a mixture of cumin, coriander, sage, ginger. Okay, we put everything in our bowl. Depending on the quality of your mince, you may or may not need all the breadcrumbs. In goes our egg, our spice mix, pinch of pepper and salt, and this is the really gooey bit. You now have to mix this by hand, adding the breadcrumbs as needed. You're looking for the consistency of a burger. In fact, on this occasion, I'm going to need all the breadcrumbs. So then, break off little patty shapes. You will recognise this as a burger or a meatball recipe. They do actually make really delicious burgers for a barbecue. Okay, then the next thing is to fry them. I will be frying them on a wood fire. Obviously, if you're at home, you either bang them on the barbecue or put them in a frying pan. So we start the cooking with some oil. In this case, I'm using olive oil, but you could use any oil of your choice. The secret is to keep them moving to prevent them burning. These are quite thick. It's quite hot by this fire. There we go then.
Do you keep turning these regularly?
Yes, if you're using fresh mince, which I am, you just need to cook them to your own particular taste. My taste is I like a medium rare burger. I know you prefer yours cooked.
Yeah, I guess the idea is, yeah, you want it cooked through, but at the same time you don't want to burn the outside, do you?
No. And also by keeping it moving, you're helping to keep it more moist. Well, I think those will do. So, once they are cooked to your liking, can bring them off the fire. And there we have it. Meaty farts.
Thank you for watching. We both hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you're inspired to recreate this dish at home, then you can find the full recipe on our website at www.tastesofhistory.co.uk, where you can also find out some more information about us, what we do, and some other recipes inspired by history. So until then we meet again, take care and
Farewell.
farewell.